Installing the AC power cable. Check that both DC switches are off. Connect the ground cable to the PV side ground point. Crimp the OT terminal using hydraulic pliers. Loosen the 2 screws on the maintenance compartment door to open it. Prop it open with the support bar. Remove the cover and hang it on the hook of the door. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the AC output power cable. Loosen the cable gland. Route the cable through the cable gland. Connect the ground cable to the PE point. Connect the AC output power cable. Tighten the cable gland.